baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Monday. I just finished doing a mukbang and the video is edited and ready to go up. Well, not right now. It'll be ready to go up at 6:30. So I have all of that done. Now I'm getting ready to go to IKEA because y'all see that bare wall behind me. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I've changed that wall several times, maybe like 3 times since I've been here, because I have that ugly thermostat kind of in the middle of the wall, and it just drives me insane. Like, y'all don't know how many times I've wanted to snatch that thing off the wall, but then we won't have no air, and I don't play like that. So I have an idea on what I want to do. I'm gonna just play it safe. When I can't find like the perfect wall art, I like to just throw a mirror up. It's just the perfect way to just add some decor to a space. It makes the space look larger, and I really like that. So I always have like a lot of mirrors. So behind me, I have these 2 mirrors here that I got from IKEA. And I was thinking that I could do the same on that wall, but the issue is the thermostat. So in my old place, I had, we're just taking a walk, okay? In my old place, there's this, okay? I can't do nothing with this because it's like, look where it is. Like, why did y'all put this here? Out of all places, why here? It's so annoying and it drives me nuts, okay? But anyway, we gonna make something work. So I'm going to IKEA. I'm gonna buy, I wanna buy 3 of those mirrors, but I'm gonna start off with 2. And I'm gonna see how it looks up here. I need something right here because this wall just makes everything look so undone. I need to get that going. So this space has just really been working my nerves, especially since everything else is just so gorgeous. So we're gonna work on this little area this week. I plan on doing this area over, just some different decor because I'm getting a little bored with it. But that's the fun thing about decorating. You can always switch it out when you're tired of it. And this is definitely one of those areas that I am constantly changing, but it's a lot of fun doing it. So we're going to be doing that this week, and then we're going to be jumping on this for sure. My mother-in-law bought this arrangement right here for Tony for Father's Day, because he swear he got a green thumb, child. So I'll probably put one of those in my drink, girl. I don't know. So yeah. Also, I bought a new Nespresso machine. I still have my old one right there. But I bought the little Nespresso mini. Just because it's just so cute and small and it doesn't take up that much space. So I like this one better. So yeah, I got this, and I don't know, I really like it. It's just so cute. The other one is just so big and bulky and it's annoying. And this one is just the perfect size for me. So I can deal with this one. I'll probably give my other Nespresso machine to my parents. My dad drinks coffee, my mom doesn't. I think, Ryan drinks coffee, so I'll probably just give that to them. And I'll just stick with my cute little mini. So we're back from IKEA, and here's the 3 mirrors. So like I told y'all, the only problem is this is going to be between these 2, but I plan on getting some type of plant or something that I can kind of hide it a little bit. So we're gonna hang these up. It's gonna look good. And then I can see like how to look over here. So it's gonna be good. I have faith. It's gonna look good, trust me. And it's gonna make this space look really big. So Tony's at the gym right now. I'm cooking dinner. I'm doing some chicken pasta. I still haven't put my groceries away. I'm trying this bread this time for my little sandwiches. And when I was in IKEA, I picked up these cute little bowls. They'll be cute for a little pasta. So I just got a set of 2. Because Lord knows I don't need any more dishes. But I just thought that these were really cute. So yeah, these are the exact same mirrors that's over there. So I'm excited. It's going to look really good. So as soon as Tony comes home, he'll put them up. Good morning. So today is Tuesday. I am on my way to the gym. I am going to do a little bit of shopping for this area today. Just make a few changes because y'all know I pulled this arrangement right here from this table just to kind of get an idea of what I want to do. But thermostat is not even bothering me like that because the mirrors look so good. So I'm so happy with the way that this space turned out. So today we're going to do a little bit of thrifting to find some new stuff for that stand. I might go to At Home, and then y'all know my favorite little antique shop. I might do that. And then I need to go to Trader Joe's to get some of my favorite little snacks. And yeah, so I've already posted it on Instagram. Everybody keep telling me how good it looked. So yeah, I love it. So I was thinking about maybe putting some plants in like a cute little planter on both sides, but we'll see. We're gonna play with it. Y'all know I'm gonna make it look good. I still need to take that stuff out, and then like I said, I'm gonna get some, or look for some new stuff for that stand over there. Switch that up a little bit because, you know, these are the same. The branches are the same. I get a lot of questions about those branches. I got those from Hobby Lobby, but I'm not too sure what they're called. So this is how they look, and they're like $13.99 each. So if you see them, you might want to wait until, you know, they have like a sale on their florals, because these things are a little pricey. So but yeah, so we're gonna do a little decorating today. That should be fun. I'm gonna work out really quick and then head to the store. I kind of like this if you spray it matte, kind of. Alright, y'all, we stuck in the rain. I got my mother-in-law with me. Say hey.
Hello.
Bro, say hey.
Hey.
And we're stuck in the rain. So we're gonna wait for a little while. I'm hungry. Y'all, we're in one of my favorite antique malls. Hopefully the footage is not too bad because I'm filming on my phone. So. All right, y'all, so we made it back home and I couldn't find any home decor. I look crazy, so I'm not getting on camera, but I couldn't find any home decor. But we went to Trader Joe's. I bought some of these Thai shrimp gyozas. They look like this. I've never tried these. I bought some chicken gyozas, some turkey burgers, buffalo hummus, olives, and jam jar. So that's all that I bought from Trader Joe's. Then we went to Home Goods. I bought some more hand soap. If y'all can see that, it's nothing special. And I had my little cousin with me. And I learned something new about her today, that she can pick out really good smelling scents, okay? So we purchased a few. So this one is a calm, balanced, relaxed candle, and it's a eucalyptus mint. It smells so good, y'all. This one was $7.99. It looks like this. If you come across it, y'all try it out. It smells nice. And then I think I just got two. And then I got the vetiver and musk. This one smells good too. This one was $6.99. So it looks like this. This one goes to? You can say my mother-in-law in the background, y'all, just pointing. This is my mother-in-law's candle. This one is a mahogany teak wood. It looks like this. Let me smell it. See if I need a bar. You sure this one ain't mine? Like, wait a minute.
That one is yours. I just paid for it.
Oh, okay. Okay, so she bought this one for me. This one smells really good. This one's $9.99. It smells nice. Oh, okay. Well, why you whispering? They can hear you. They want to hear you too. Okay, then when we were at home, I bought the champagne flutes. So pretty. I've been looking for some like this. These are so cute. You like these? These were $19.99, but if you guys notice, they had a lot of the glasses that I have already, like wine glasses, at home, so y'all might want to go check them out, because y'all know I like to get my wine glasses from Crate and Barrel, but Crate and Barrel also carries some like this, but these were $19.99 for 4. So yeah, so cute. And then We went in Marshall's. We just went everywhere today, y'all. We went in Marshall's and I found another candle. I don't blame my little cousin for this one because she didn't smell this one, but it smells good. This is sweet tobacco. It looks like this, and this candle was $14.99. Y'all know I don't need no more candles, but I couldn't help myself. And then, I think this is the last thing. And then I brought this pan. This is the Calphaline brand. That's the brand of all of my pots and pans. So I bought this one and it was $29.99. And then I told you guys about my collagen gummies. They're peach flavor. They're so bomb. Y'all need to try them by the Ollie brand. And every time I have a gummy, I want to eat the whole entire container because they're so good. So I found me some peach rings. So yeah, these were $3.99. I had to get two because of my gummies. They're so good. My vitamins. So, oh, and then I bought this. Excuse the boob. What is this called? And then I just bought a cookie sheet because I needed a new one. Even though I don't bake cookies, but I'll use this for pretty much anything when I'm cooking. Would you like to say something? Okay, y'all, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Mwah.
Don't take it. Take it. Just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up.